Hello Moncescans, mga anak! Look what just came out of the oven. This is Mama Mo's specialty, FFTG, or otherwise known as Food for the Gods. And for our Christmas series, I'm going to teach you how to make this. I have adapted this recipe from all recipes, and all I want to do is bake, and you can find their links down below. Watch to the end and I'll show you how to wrap them. Pre-measure all your ingredients and then sift the flour, baking powder, and salt all together and set it aside. Then coarsely chop up the walnuts, the dates, and dredge the dates in half of the flour mixture. Previously, walnuts and dates were luxury items and were difficult to purchase. Now we continue on and combine the brown and white sugar. And make sure to mix them thoroughly and then add the eggs. Just mix them all together until it is well combined, and I like the chewy version of the Food for the Gods, so I melt my butter and then add it to the sugar mixture. To this we add the vanilla, mixing again, and if you see here, I'm using the honey that I bought from Manitoulin. Go watch my video on that one. This treat is really sweet, like ambrosia. Do you think Percy Jackson and his demigod friends will find it delicious? Now we mix in the remainder of the flour and slowly fold in the nuts and the dates into the mixture, and then put everything in a pan. I use a 9x13 baking pan. Use a toothpick or a cake tester to see if it's done. And before cutting it into little pieces, make sure that it's cool and chilled. Now that the Food for the Gods has been sliced into little squares, we are ready to wrap them up. I use cellophane to wrap this up, and this is food grade cellophane which came from the Philippines. Wrapping is easy. Just center the Food for the Gods in the middle. Fold up both sides and twist. Let's do it again slowly. There we go. Just twist the side just like a candy. Look how many I made. And all of this will be packed in boxes as gifts. Now we're all done, and our Food for the Gods are in little gift boxes. And we also have a big one. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas series. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you are one of the lucky ones who received this as a present. Big heavenly shout out to all my customers. Thank you very much.